Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with some winnings. And all you had to do is leave a comment and pay for the shipping for the winnings, and it was a priority bag of goodness. She called it Almost Free Destash Giveaway from Scrapbook Not 2002. So let's see. First thing I see is some nautical, or I don't know how you say that. And they are by Rebecca Sauer. They're pretty flowers, roses. They're really pretty. Them are pretty. And let's see. I'm just grabbing. Came in a priority. See? I don't know what's in it. Ooh, look at the pandas by Recollections. Be a panda corn. Panda power. Be different. Always be a panda corn. Don't quit your daydreams. Make your own magic. Oh, I have a feeling my Allie's going to like these. And then we have, ooh, we got some bling. Nice. And then we got some pink pastel. Die cuts or embellishments they're calling them. So we got like some leaves and some flowers. And they're pretty. Ooh, look at them. Oh, them are cute. They look like they're on a piece of wood. Got a reindeer, a bird, and an owl, and two deer and two bear. Them are cool. Oh, we got some Studio Auto Dollar Tree. This is, I've never seen this one. Love you, lovely. Them are cool. Look at the air balloon, the banner. We have an ice cream cone. It says stickable. It's, oh, this is kind of cool. Let's see. I can't believe they wanted $3.99 for this at one time. It's puffy. Feels like one of those mushy toys the kids, and you just peel off the sticker. Oh, that's cool. Okay, I'll put that back in the package later. We got some pony holders. Oh, give them the roo. Look at it. They're like jelly. Remember jelly shoes? Okay, come on. I'm stumped out. Say my age now by that one. We have some bling. Look at the little fish. Gemstones. Look at the fish. They are so cute. I will have Scrapbook Nut 2002. Did I mention that's who had this? In the description box below. And we got some more Parchment Photo Safe stickables with banners. Ooh, we got some straws. I don't have many straws, so that's cool. I used to have a lot, and then I destashed them, and then I'm like, God, I wish I'd have kept me some straws. Because as soon as I come up with an idea on that, I don't have a straw. Oh, look at this. Got a banner, some little flowers, a globe, mason jar, choose joy, arrows, and birdhouse, and a bird. Them are cool. Interdimensional. I don't know who, oh, I don't know who made them. Looks like maybe a Michael's or Joann's. Oh, cool. Love the globe. And we got some Michael's twine. I bet you it's Michael's. No, I don't know. Michael's usually tells you. And we got some twine. We got some black twine, some burlap, and some lace. That looks good together if you make it a cake. You could use that together. Oh, we got some bling gemstones. Clear. Pretty. Oh, look at this burlap. Oh, nice. It says trim, but I'm calling it burlap. That's neat. Looks like that. That's cool. Oh, we got two of them. That's awesome. You know what? I couldn't find burlap a month ago. I was looking for burlap. Couldn't find it. Ooh, look at this pretty butterfly gem sticker, rhinestone. That's pretty. The flowers and the butterfly. And then we got some more bling, green. It's from Michaels. We got some pearls. Look at the pearls, pretty. Pink, orange, yellow, minty green, blue, and a purple. Ooh, oops, I dropped it. Some pink. Nice. Thank you so much, Scrap Nook. She tried to destash these and nobody was buying them, I guess. And I was like, I didn't even see the destash because this would have been up my alley. Oh, look at the red rhinestones and gold. Oh, this is neat. It's a frame. Oh, and it's metal. That's cool. Metal frame. It's got some bling on it. And then we got this. It looks like a little flower sticker. That's a sticker. Looks like that. It says sticker and a chicks. That's cool. And we got, ooh, some more bling. Look at that. That's pretty. It's got the little flower in the center. That's really pretty. Oh, look at it. We got another one kind of like it. Ooh, look at the flowers. Where? I don't know where she found them, but she only paid $1.99 for them. I wish I was that lucky. This was originally $3.99 down to $1.99. For recollection? Wow, that's a good deal. Ooh, look at this one. I love this sway. Look. Ooh. Ooh, look at these gemstone stickers. Got like you got like teardrop, square, and triangle. That's pretty. And it's like a green and yellow tone. I don't know if you guys can see that colors. And ooh, look at that, bronze. Where are you people finding these at Michael's? Like these little packs. I'll have to ask and look. Maybe I'm missing them somewhere and I'm walking right past them. That'd be my luck. Oh, look at it. We got little paper clips with a llama. It's my day. Them are cool. Crafter Smart. Crafter Smart. I think that's Joanne's. Ooh, look at. Ooh, this is another one. Metal detector. Let me see what this is. Oh, that's pretty. It's like an ornament. It's got a pretty butterfly. That's cool, actually. I'm gonna hang that somewhere in my craft room. That's pretty. That's pretty. And let's see. Oh, we got more of those little clips. Got ice cream, good day, donut, and sweet. Them are cool. 4-piece Craft Smart. Craftsman. And then we got, oh, look at this. Vintage Sentiment Friend. That's pretty. We got more bling. Christmas. Look at Christmas. You know, a couple years ago I couldn't find red or green for the life of me, so I stocked up big time when I saw it at the Dollar Tree. Here, let's see. Oh, look at the giant key. Large metal icon. That's cool. I love keys. I'm a steampunker. What can I say? Oh, look at this. Look at that. Oh, look at that. It's a little mirror in there. Well, I guess you could take that out if you wanted to and put a picture. It's a pennant. Look at how pretty that is. It's got butterflies. And then we got a pocket watch. Oh my god, look at this. So nice it says. Is it open? Oh. Oh, it does. Look at that. That's cool. Oh, and it's got butterflies, guys. I'm trying not to... It's got little butterflies hanging. I got a butterfly on it. Okay, there's something here. What am I doing wrong here? It's twisted. Okay. There we go. I think it hangs like that. That's pretty. And then, oh, look at this. Oh my God, it's a dream catcher. I know where I'm going to use that on. Look at that dream catcher. That is so pretty. One of my favorite paper line is a boho dream catcher from Hobby Lobby. And then we got one more thing. I don't know. It says sun is shining, hello summer. We get 3 in that color. Adventure awaits. Ice cream makes everything better. Life is better at the beach. You got this. Be brave. It looks like they're in 3 different colors. Oh, look at it. Hello. Boo. Happy Halloween. Scary. That's cool. Thanksgiving. Be thankful. Oh, that one's in 3 colors. Them are cool. Our family. Oh, see, there's a Halloween one in 3. This is a cool little collection. I thought they felt, but it's not. And there's little. Oh, they're dot. Are they stickers? I think they're just die cuts, but I could be wrong. There might be a sticker. I don't want to chance it until I go to use them. Thank you so much. This was awesome. From Scrapbook Nut. So I'm going to have her channel linked in the description box below. Go check out her channel. And she has some Destashes. This one, I can't believe nobody would pick these up. I didn't see the Destashes. She had these for sale. But this was an awesome thing. She picked, and all you did is had to cover the shipping. So thank you so much, Scrapbook Nut. And as always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.